If you're leaving the field, you must empty your hopper. Thank you.
All right. Inside the circle, guys. Good try, though. All good. Okay, guys, done touching the wall. The hot potato is currently sitting at the front of the Hummer. It's on the 50-yard line. It needs to be on your opponent's side to win. So, mansion side, are you ready? Parking lot side, are you ready? Game starts. 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go! All right, the ball has been put on the mansion side. Mansion side, you have less than a minute to clear this ball. It's sitting in front of your snake. Seconds, get it off your side. Oh, a nice big kick and deep into the parking lot side. And it's still on the parking lot side. Guys, you have 1 minute to clear that ball. And it's now back on the mansion side with a good kick. Oh, it's a fail. It's stuck on the mansion side. Seconds, mansion side, get that ball off your side. Oh, big kick. And the big kick, oh, it's stopped on the parking lot side still. It's now in the center of the parking lot side, being shot towards the 50-yard line. It's still on the parking lot side. Guys, you have less than a minute to get it off your side. That did it. It's now on the mansion side. Mansion side, you have 1 minute to clear that ball. Oh, it's so tempting. You can see it. Can you get a hold of it? It's screaming at you. You have 30 seconds to get it off your side, Mansion. There it goes, it's rolling back across the field. Oh, it's stuck at the Hummer. Parking lot side, you now have 30 seconds to get that ball off your side. Parking lot side, you're running out of time. Get that ball off your side. Oh, it's being shot. And it's across. I heard that. It's on the mansion side. started at the 50-yard line, guys. If you want it, you gotta get it off.
Only a mistake, I'll hit you. Only a mistake, I keep hitting you. Get out.
He's trying to call himself out.
I don't care, get out.
Oh, the ball is on the parking lot side. Guys, there's 1 minute left in the game. And parking lot side, you gotta get that ball off your side. Parking lot side, you have 30 seconds to get that ball off your side. Somebody do something spectacular. I think he's done. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,